Good morning. It's one of those mornings when you get up and you look at something and think, that is really getting on my nerves. And my Welsh dresser has been really getting on my nerves for a little while. Not the actual dresser itself, but just the stuff that you end up putting on it. You think, oh, I don't know how to put that, put it on the dresser. So I got up early this morning and it just like smacked me in the face, and I thought, I'm going to start to just sort it out. So I had some teapots at the top and a few little ornaments that I'd made, years ago, and I popped them into the garden, so I'll show you those a bit later on. And I'm just going to have a bit of a sort out, so I thought I'd share it with you. Okay, I may not be chatting because I'm going to be busy. Right, so here we go. I think this looks a lot better now. So I'll just point out everything to you. My daughter Hannah gave me this. These I bought for Chris some time ago. These are thermometers, aren't they? They're sort of like maritime thermometers. These, and I got a bit fed up with them, so we put them in the garage. Chris was about to take them down to the charity shop, and I'm like, no, actually, I think I'll have them back in the house again. This here is Max and Otis. Otis is the new grandbaby. These little jugs here, and this one here that says milk on it, I've had for many years and I love them, along with these cups and little tiny saucers. I had them before I had any children, so that's how old they are. We both love decanters, collecting decanters, and we're slowly sort of getting something out of the garage. These dried roses are from a bouquet that my son Joshua bought me. I think that was for my birthday last year. And of course we've got our Bose sound system here, and I've decided to put everything that we had behind, like the silver heart thing that we had here, paperwork, we used to just put it behind there, but I've just bought this out from another cupboard, so it just looks a little bit tidier. So we've just got little notepads there, pens are in there, and these I've had for many years. These are also from Laura Ashley, and they contain things like my little sewing kit and everything. And my friend Becky bought me this dear little cup and saucer with a candle in it. So yeah, I feel that's a lot clearer, a lot neater. I like it. So these are the little teapots that I had on top of the dresser, and I just thought they looked really cute out in the garden. I might even hang them from the tree in the fairy garden. I never know, birds might nest in it or something. But for now, they are just here with the plants, with the flowers. This little fairy here that I made years ago, along with the owl. I've decided to just pop them on the bench with the flowers. I think they look really cute there. I had on the dresser is here, so it's next to the Buddha and my other elephant and my peacock. And I used to have this on the dresser as well. We used to put posts behind this So I've just put it onto the heart-shaped slate and then put this on top of it.